What's going on, cryptoyang gang? It's your boy cryptoyang in the building. Quick rundown on LendConnect. This is day 6 of my loan. I have $1,000 loan. As you can see, I have 1,040 now because I reinvested a few times. Let's see here. So earlier today, actually, I went ahead and bought some more LCT coins with my balance that I had from my daily interest. Yesterday was a 1.6%. So we're still averaging a good bit. I mean, I would say it's probably around like 1.9, 1.8 something percent for the days that I've been getting interest. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and go into the details of that. So I got $16.64 for the 1.6. I got a 0.1% bonus, which is $1.04. And I only reinvested the $15, and I had like $7 and change. So that was a total of $25.23. I exchanged to LCT. I hit the fill max button, and I bought some more coins at the cheap rate that it is right now. So everybody's probably like, "Damn, LCT's dropping. You know, DAV is dropping." DAV is different. DAV, when you look at it, it looks like they're just doing pump and dumps at the current moment, and that is not a good look to me. Let's see if we can even pull up the chart here. I'll pull up the LCT and I'll pull up the DAV as well. So LCT's movement to me it's pretty. It doesn't seem like much of a pump and dump kind of a movement. It's a little more organic, and if you look, it actually it's kind of going with what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin came back up, and now it's just tanking hard. And Bitcoin is like in the 8,000s right now. I wouldn't trip out or nothing. I wouldn't panic sell or anything. If anything, I try to move into another coin that might be holding its ground and might go up a little bit. I mean, if you're fully invested into Bitcoin, then be careful with that. I would probably just hold until it comes back. It will rebound. Bitcoin is going to probably drop down to 5,000 to 6,000 range. That's my opinion on that. And then once it does, then that's when it's going to take back off, and it'll probably hit 20,000 in no time. And I wouldn't be surprised to see 70,000 to 100,000 sometime this year. So, you know, Bitcoin is fine. Y'all just be patient. Y'all just hodl those coins, man. Hodl whatever coins you got. LCT, I'm loving the fact that it's dipping hard constantly, because you see, even though it dips hard, it comes right back, man. With DAV, though, seems like DAV is just kind of leveling out here at the same prices which it came out at. As you can see, it found a little bit of support right along where it found support when it hit coinexchange. All right, so I don't know, man. DAV, it can easily start to cut and then shoot back up. So watch for that. This would be a good place to buy DAV right now if you want to get into DAV, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. We're talking about LendConnect. So there were some updates on LendConnect today. Let me go ahead and go to the Telegram and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Boom. So here is the LendConnect Telegram. So they were having a few problems with their depositing as well as some of the withdrawals as well. The auto reinvest button was fixed. There was a problem with that as well. They did a lot of maintenance here in the past 24 hours, which is great. I love the fact that LendConnect is still doing a lot of maintenance, still fixing their website, getting ready for their internal exchange. They coded this thing from scratch from what they say. And it's going to be very secure, and it's going to be Ethereum based. If y'all know me or have listened to any of my videos, you know I love Ethereum. There's just something about it, man. It's its own space. It's got more than it's more than just a currency, and that's what I like about it. And they're saying that they're going to base it off of Ethereum, that you'll be able to buy the LCT tokens and sell them with Ethereum and for Ethereum. And they trust in Ethereum and believe that Ethereum will become #1. That to me is awesome to hear, because that's exactly my views as well. It says, once we launched our internal exchange, it may be possible that we delist from coinexchange. Now, I don't know how I feel exactly about that, because you know that's kind of cuts off your you're trading too. But if you think about it, if you take it off of those exchanges, then it means that most of the people that are going to be trading this coin will be people who are in this coin and in this platform and lending their coins, which is actually a pretty good thing, because then you don't have outsiders that are pumping and dumping this coin and screwing everything up constantly. You see what I'm saying? So it's good it's good that we're going to be investing in the platform, and we're going to be reinvesting in the platform. I think that's something different, and I think that is something that's going to keep this coin stable, as well as help grow the value of this coin organically rather than pump and dumps, because people are not going to want to go through all the extra stuff that they would have to do, like sign up on the platform, send Ethereum over to the platform and all that, just so that they can trade it, pump it, and dump it. You know, that's going to take a lot of effort for them to do that when they could just do that with any other coin. You see what I'm saying? So I like that. I like that. So they're saying don't keep any tokens on CoinExchange, to go ahead and send it over to the platform. I would suggest doing that, because if you keep them there and they delist it, that might be a problem. You can store them, because they're an ERC20 token. You can store them in your MyEther wallet. You can also store them in the dashboard. If you look on my dashboard, that's where I have mine. See what I'm saying? And the good thing about this also is that when you're in the dashboard, when you go to the lending tab, it'll actually tell you how much your coins are worth from within the dashboard, and this price goes off of coin market cap, so that's a good thing. So quick rundown, I got 1040 in there. My interest is based on that 1040. You can reinvest and keep adding to this amount and not restart your loan, and your daily interest will rise because of that. They're going to be launching this internal exchange here in like 13 days. I am very excited for that too. So you guys, right now the price of it looks scary, but I'm telling you, this is a great price to buy at, if not under $4. If it ever touches under $4, you better buy it, and hold on to it, because this thing, it may be down now, but as soon as Bitcoin starts finding stability or rises, LendConnect is going to rise too, along with all the other altcoins, along with all the other Ethereum, all of them, Neo, all of them. So you know, invest, man, if you want to. I'm not a personal advisor, I'm not a professional advisor or a professional consultant at all. I'm simply stating my personal opinions, you know what I'm saying? So don't go in blindly. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos on LendConnect, do your own research, all right? Never invest what you're not willing to lose, okay? But if I were you, this is what I would do, all right? Cryptoyang signing out on this video. I'll be creating a couple more videos tonight and uploading them. Subscribe. Share the video, like the video, tell people to subscribe, because at 100 subscribers, I'm at 77 subscribers. At 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing an Ethereum giveaway to a random commenter on the video that I announce it on. So that's coming really soon. You better hit that notification bell next to subscribe once you hit subscribe. That way you get those updates on my videos. Look out for the one that says ETH giveaway on it, because that's going to be the one you want to comment on, all right? Don't comment on this video. Don't comment on the other videos. If you want to comment, let's talk about what I talked about in this video or in those other videos. But the one that says ETH giveaway will be the one that you want to comment your Ethereum wallet address to. And I will be sending some Ethereum over to one of my subscribers or one of my fans or one of my viewers, okay? So that's it, man. If y'all got any questions, any comments, concerns, anything like that, shoot them in the comment box. If you look at all my other videos, I'm very active with my Cryptoyang gang, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate the support.